Hey, my name is Faith, and today we're going to be talking about how to make money. Especially during this pandemic, I've been figuring out ways to make my money stretch and earn more and save more. And yeah, I first want to start off by mentioning Robinhood. Andrew, Jick, and Graham Stephan have really put me on to Robinhood. I heard about it through a friend, and then I went on YouTube to figure out how to use it. And so I started off with buying into alkaline water, which was very cheap. But yeah, learning how to invest, I did not learn through anyone really. I mean, I figured out the terminology through them, but figuring out what's trending, I really went with my intuition and my gut, what makes sense to me. I think because I'm a woman, it just makes more sense. But I've earned $100 within 3 months. I started in mid-March and have earned my way up this much, and I'll show you guys in a segment of how I did that. But yeah, I've been keeping track of what I've been doing, so that is a plus. With Robinhood, you basically learn how to invest, and it's really fun. It keeps you on the edge of your seat. So if you're a fire sign and you have earth sign in your chart, you're so lucky to I talk about astrology. Robinhood. I haven't tried anything else. I haven't tried Weibo, but I heard you get a stock. But I got a free stock using Robinhood. And if you want to use my code to start your account so you can get a free stock and I can get a free stock, why not help each other out? So I'll leave that in a link below, or just put it on the screen or something. Then I want to mention Medium. So Medium, I believe, is ran by the same people who make Twitter. So I haven't made it an actual essay, but I'm working on it. I'm drafting it right now. But basically, you earn money for writing, and I love to write. I love reading and writing. So yeah, and I also like astrology, so I really want to write about astrology. So if you want to stay tuned for that, you should. I also just make videos on that on my channel about the planet arrangements. It really does affect us, you guys. But yeah, if you wanted to know. But yeah, I really wanted to get into Medium. I haven't watched it, but I heard about it through Shelby Church, and yeah, so I thought it would be important to mention that. I'll let you guys know how that goes for me. And some other time when I actually make and upload it and publish it, I'll show you my progress. So I'll start a series on that soon. And then I would say starting your own, if you have started your own brand in the past and you're just snap, no, I don't think anyone really needs a shirt right now. You can switch your branding to make masks and sell that to people. Some people need some. So you can make masks at home for coronavirus, COVID-19. And it's funny because face masks were actually trendy before this pandemic. So I'm literally around a year or two right before, and I'm just that's so weird that Another tool that I would say would help would be YouTube. I'm investing more into my YouTube now that I have all this time. So it's helping me be in flow with the algorithm. And so if you have all this time on your hands and you're passionate about whatever you want to talk about and you feel other people should know about it, make a YouTube channel. Seriously, it won't even hurt you. It literally is a benefit. If you have something that that whatever talent or gift that you have and you just want to share it with people, or there's something you want to review that you're oh my god, I really stand by this product, make a YouTube video. And over time, you actually can make money from YouTube. So that's something I'm doing, but I genuinely like YouTube because I literally love to talk and I love to give my opinions, and I also love to help. It's a lot. But yeah, definitely check out YouTube if you are running out of Zoom calls and you just need to actually talk to someone who's in your niche. You know what I mean? So with YouTube, you can make money from AdSense and AdSense and also sponsorships. But I mean, that's down the road. It's just investing with Robinhood. That's literally how I feel about YouTube. It's like personal, but it's also like, hey, this is technically work still. So yeah, I like that side of YouTube. But also, if you could give this video a thumbs up and help me with the algorithm, that's what I'm trying. You know, I'm helping you. No, it would really mean so much if you guys actually did give this video a thumbs up. It helps me with the algorithm, and yeah, you don't have to, but it would definitely help out my channel. I'm starting off, I'm very new on YouTube, and I really want to expand my channel, to be honest. I really want to be heard. So yeah, like, if you give this video a thumbs up whenever you start your channel, I'm definitely going to just subscribe to you and help you with your algorithm. So it's like an eye for an eye. Like, let's be on a team. Like, honestly, I really want to help you guys, and hopefully you guys want to help me back in return. So it's a mutual exchange of goods right now. So let's keep that in mind. Okay, also, and this one's just on a law of attraction type of tool. Dress nice. Like, frequencies and vibrations are so real. I've been getting into the emerald tablets lately, and it's pretty good. But you know, be law of attraction, be exactly what you want to be. So like, carry yourself as if it has already happened. Like, literally take a step on faith, and that helps with manifesting. And you can do that if you want, but I definitely highly recommend it because opportunities come your way. Like, dress nice, take care of things around you and yourself, and learn more vocabulary, read more, like get into philosophy, your way of thinking. That also helps with making money, in my opinion, because you're on that vibration of making money. And listen to music that helps with making money. My last tip would be to figure out your birth chart. I know, whatever, but I genuinely believe in this. Figure out your birth chart, figure out what your north node is, and watch a couple of videos on that. I'll recommend some of my favorite north node videos that I've seen, but once you figure out what sign is in your north node, it's a wrap. It helps you learn of what you should grow into. Also figure out your Saturn, and that helps you determine what type of work ethic you need to do in order to be disciplined and organized enough to get established in where you want to be in your career. And then also figuring out your life path number. Like, if you feel like you don't even know what you want to do and you feel like just making money to make it pass, that can help. But like, when you actually add a passion and you just want to make money as well, the possibilities are endless. Like, miracles can happen, you guys. And keep your heart up and your mind up and your body up. Mind, body, and spirit. Keep everything aligned and divine, and see what happens over time. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, those are my tips. Like, when you figure out your north node, your Saturn, and your life path number, I feel like you are understanding God's language. Like, this is what God needs you to do in order to get to where you need to go, to uplift your mind, to uplift your spirit, to uplift your body, your soul, just whatever your heart desires, you know? So leave a comment down below if you have any tips, and we can like start a community, the money team or whatever. Whenever I do like a certain entry on how to make money, how to do this, something with motivation and career. But yeah, this is a new series I'm starting, so if you would love to see more of that, you know, subscribe. You know, where are you going? Just sit here with me and we can chat about what's going on. Leave some comments down below what I should be talking about next. But yeah. And I'm from Atlanta. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I enjoyed making this. I really want to group us up as the money team, and I really want us to figure things out. Like, if we're all in a community, I want us to talk about where we're at and what comment down below what you want to manifest. I would love to know. And you know, when you write it down, especially everyone else sees it, it becomes more powerful. It's like a group meditation on everyone else's dreams. So I'd love to start that in the comments down below. All right, peace.